Hey guys, I got my new package from Crossroads 3D. It is a glove box that goes in place of this warning label because there's absolutely no storage in this Pioneer 500. So I'm kind of excited to crack this thing open and go through a quick install of this. So included in the package is the glove box and the lid, detailed instructions, and some screws, and a sticker that adds probably at least 5 horsepower. So it looks like step one, we're just going to go, it tells you, you use a brand new utility knife blade and you cut along this. So not along the actual placard, but at the end of this. Right there. So it says to score it lightly several times rather than one deep cut. So that's what I'm going to do. Just about got it cut all the way through. I'm just going to pop it. And right here is my factory winch solenoid. It says right here in the instructions, we'll have to remove that and place it somewhere else. A couple 10mm nuts. There we go. Yes. So I got the winch solenoid unbolted from these brackets here, and I just got it kind of stuck to the side. I'm gonna deal with that another time. And then this guy should just fit in there. I'm hoping. It might interfere with my big stupid cup holder. Oh, she fits. Just gotta snap it in there. This one isn't snapped in the bottom, so I might have to reach from the back side underneath and support it. Okay, I finally got it. What I ended up doing is pulled these 3 little pins out, push pins, and then try to get my camera, stuck my hand in underneath and behind, and then pushed while I pushed on this. Now it's snapped in nice. Then the instructions say once it's snapped in, we're going to drill pilot holes through these. I just have a 1/16 inch drill bit, just a tiny one. Okay, so I just set the lid on and set these screws in there. They just go through the back of the hinge. And then I'm just going to tighten these up. And you don't go crazy tight on it. Tighten it till it's snug. You're going through thin plastic, so you don't want to strip it. But nice and tight. I'm going to tighten them all up, and then we'll see what we have. Okay, all the screws are tight. Moment of truth. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Put your crap in there. Closes all right. Not bad. There's a little play in the hinges, but so it's a side by side. And there you go. Pretty easy. Definitely worth it. You might want to take a look at these things if you're looking for storage solutions. And it just clears my cup holder. You've seen my cup holder video. These are like universal for a golf cart or something. Cheapy cup holders. And it scrapes a little bit. But this was not designed with that in mind. But I'm glad it kind of works together. And let's not forget the most important part. The sticker definitely adds 5 horsepower. Oh, and one more thing. All I did with this solenoid is it was mounted back here. And all the glove box is in the way. I just drilled a couple holes and put some self-tappers in there. and bolted it there. Plenty of clearance for the hood. Still in a decent spot.